Hi guys, it's Jamie with Jamie's Realistic Life. Welcome or welcome back. So what is this? What is this laying here? Okay, in my previous videos I had talked about that I had a lot of cute mini savings challenges that I have purchased over the years and I've held them back. Some of these are new, some of them are old that I'm using. So as you can see, this came in like a stack of a bunch. I mean, I have enough here to do 6 complete little mini books with 8 savings challenges per each. The 1 through 8 is for the envelope system. That's where the money will go in that envelope. So what I am going to do is roll this one dice. It's 8-sided, and it will tell me which one. I had 2 left after I made the complete books, which is, it says book 7 and book 8, but actually it's just one savings challenge out of, it's just one savings challenge that I have been doing off camera. So we are going to see which one I'm starting with today. And of course it's going to be book 1. So that's the way to start it off. So we'll start that. I will probably continue doing these off camera. These 2 back here, they are, like tip money challenge anyway. I usually just bring in some of my tip money and put towards that, put it in the envelope. So we are going to start with book 1. And how I'm going to do it is, this will tell me what page, and this will tell me how much. So let me get myself situated here, get my little highlighters out. Which highlighter do I want to start with today? Let's start with this one. Some of these, when we go through, you will see like a $3, or it may just say roll the dice. So we're just going to go with that way. No, and I don't think it's in this one. No, each one of these has got a certain amount on it. So that's easy. We'll just do the page. So the first page is 7. So 7, we are going to save $3. And I will color in one of these little cards here. Overlook my coloring because I'm not a very good color. I just come in and mark it. So 7 will get 3. 1, 2, 3. 7 again. 7 must be wanting all the money today. And I can't remember which. So 1, 2, 3. Which envelope it is. Number 8 is going to get 5. So we will just color in this little butterfly. I hope y'all can see very good. So I'll just put that 5 there. The next one is 2. And it is $6. So we 5, 6. And we'll flip over to 5. 3, 4, 5 is $3. 1, 2, 3. See how far we can go. 2 again, which is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is $1. I'm sorry if you can hear the cats in the background. They're playing. They are a little, I gave them their treats this morning, and they are just a little rambunctious. You all don't know how good this feels to be able to start saving money again after being in hiatus forever and not being able to work and save extra money and dealing with husband's surgeries. I'm just going to put this over here for that. Husband's surgeries. My brother's been sick. Dealing with him, but thank God he's doing so much better. I shouldn't say dealing with him, but taking care of him also. It's just been a really strain on me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it's just been a blessing that he has gotten better. And I just really, really do appreciate everybody who has, you know, who has prayed for him and stuff. Okay. I got off track. I got off track. My mind just went a little off the wall here. So I was like, I didn't put none in 5. Why is that 3 there? You know. But anyway, see which one we got left. 3, and see if we can actually. 3 is $2. So yesterday I had went to Royal King. I had to go pick up our turkeys that my husband wanted to get, and that was a trip in itself. I got a video coming out about it, so just keep your eyes up on it. So 1, 2, and we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got $7 left. Let's see what we can get through here. 2. Well, 2's going to get 6 of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The other dollar will go over to the side for the next savings challenge. So, we got that done. So let me grab my envelope here. I mean my binder, and we will put them in where they need to go. Okay, number 1 got $2. So I'll add the 2, and that will be 14. So it's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I probably won't bore y'all with all this. I'll just be probably putting it in here because this is going to be hard to get this all in here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 24. So we will be adding 24. So, plus 24, should be 45 in here. So, number 2 goes for transportation, which is really good because that's like car payment, gas. Oh, Jesus, our gas here is $4.19 a gallon. I don't know what we're going to do. So, let's see if this is correct. It's supposed to have 45. 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. Hey, I did count right. I have a little trouble sometimes with my brain not working halfway right. And it goes with old age. Okay, so did number 3 got $2. So So I'm going to put down $2, which would be 36. And I don't know why that's on there, because that's today, and I didn't do nothing today. I must have wrote down the wrong date on something. So it should have 36, and this is for mortgage insurance. And once I get bigger bills, I will trade these smaller ones out so the envelope don't look all grumpy and fat and sassy. And 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. Yep, that is correct. A lot of this is tip money from where I work at the restaurant. So that's the reason why I had a lot of 5s and 1s. Okay, the next one would be number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Didn't get anything this go around. Number 5 got $3. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. So it got 3. I'm going to have to figure out another buddy system on this one. So it should have 15. I may use some, when I do these, I may just have paper clips on there. Why is that? Okay. That's groceries. So groceries. This is like for a Costco, Sam's Club, BJ's. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 to stock up. Or if I need a gallon of milk, I'll just pull it out of here and take off and go get it. Okay, so the next one is number 7 is health, and it got $1. Wait a minute. 6, 7. Okay, number 6, it gets $1. I don't know why I said number 7. So it has $1 in it. So I'm just going to slide that right here. I have a lot of goose. Okay, number 7 got $6, I believe. And number 7 is, wait a minute, I'm all messed up. 5, 6, 7 is pets. Okay, 7 is pets. So it got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's got 6. You know what? I think next time I will take the envelopes out and just lay the money on the envelope. So pets should have, what I just write in there, should be 30. Pets should be 30. And if y'all give me just a second, I gotta get me a drink of coffee because my throat's getting dry. Okay, so 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Okay, so there's 30. And then the next one is entertainment. Of course, y'all know entertainment is for my grandson, Matty. If I want to take him out to eat or something, have a nanny grandson day. So it gets $5, and it is at 11. Or I may change it from entertainment to holidays because, y'all, Christmas is going to be coming up really quick. I mean, like, seriously, this year is flew by. We're the middle of April, and wait a minute, I'm missing $1. You know what? That's because I only put a 5 in there. 5, 10. Wait a minute. Nope, it's good. Psh, Lord, see, I told you my brain wasn't working right, y'all. So let's watch all my goofs and screw ups and everything. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the thumbs up, like, comment, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think about these cute little mini challenge books. They are so cute. I really like doing them, and now that I can do them. Guys, you all have been so wonderful, and I just really appreciate all of you so much. And with that said, I will talk to you all later. Bye, guys.